My name is Cece. I've been with CarShield for about 3 years now. Outside of these walls, I love to foster puppies. I also love to do all things fitness related. So I enjoy going to the gym. I enjoy working out. I know that here we have a new trainer. We have a new fitness facility, which is pretty much amazing. I've lost a total of 85 pounds, and that's just me putting in the work as far as I wake up around 3:15 in the morning. I'm at the gym by 4 a.m. I've been motivated by my husband. My husband started the fitness journey with me. I've also been motivated by my coworkers, the senior reps. They check in with me all the time. They ask me how I'm doing. That helps a lot. I couldn't have done it without that support team. My drive came from my dad. He instilled in me, him being in the military, you can't say no, you can't give up. There's no such thing as can't. And there's no middle ground. You're either 0 or 100. So that's where my personality comes from. I love the fact that the culture is all about comfortability. So you can be comfortable while you come to work. You have the comfortable atmosphere. You also have a community that's very supportive here. When my father had passed away, my teammates went ahead behind my back and they raised money, and then they got me a little plaque that had my father's name on it with like our favorite song on there. I guess I would sing the song right after he passed. They just kind of picked up on it, and the fact that they picked up on that and they were able to go ahead and make a plaque, that meant the world to me. And that's what kind of people work at CarShield.